So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the USB device not recognized error in Windows 11. By following these simple steps, you will be able to quickly resolve connectivity issues and get your USB devices working smoothly again. So let's start the process. First, we have to disable USB Selective Suspend setting to fix this issue. To do this, click on the search icon and type Edit Power Plan. Then select it from the search results. In the Power Options window, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the new window, expand the USB Settings section. Then expand USB Selective Suspend setting. Set both on battery and plugged in to disabled. Then click Apply and OK. This change should help resolve the issue. Next, in the second method, we will need to install an INF file. To do this, navigate to this PC and then open the C drive. Inside the C drive, go to the Windows folder and look for the INF folder. In the INF folder, type wpdmtp in the search bar. Once you find the wpdmtp.inf file, right click on it and choose install. If you can't find install here, then click on show more options and then select install. After installing, restart your computer. For most users, this should resolve the issue. In the third and final method, we will need to update our USB drivers. To do this, first open Device Manager by pressing the Windows key and typing Device Manager. Once inside, scroll down and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section by clicking the arrow next to it. Find the USB driver from the list, select and right click on it. Now choose Update Driver. In the window that appears, choose Search Automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install the latest driver. If prompted, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. These methods should resolve your issue. If it doesn't, feel free to drop a comment and I will help you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to liking the video and subscribing to my channel.